They still selling us. Apple. Girl, come here. AirPods. Next box. Next iPhone. AirPods. Next iPhone. AirPods. Okay? Thank you. Love you. Hi, I'm Goddess, and today I will be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's right here. This is my second unboxing, and I want to do it, y'all, so let's see what's cooking. Yeah. It's forest green, the green one. Oh my god. Hold on. Damn. Oh shit. Oh. So yeah. Let's see. So this is what it looks like though. It's green. Forest green, I think. Yeah. Now time to open it. The packaging is cute. Pretty. It's hard to do shit. Oh my gosh. This is 512 gigabytes. It's bigger than the Max, the 10 Max. A bigger. Wait, this is new. It's not like the small cube. It's bigger. Wait. It's not USB anymore. It's the C type. So yeah. See that? So they changed up the look. And it comes with this, the regular wire. We need AirPods. We don't need this wire crap anymore. Anyway, this book. And this is how it looks. Sexy, yeah, sexy. Oh, and they got the 3 cameras right here. When I first saw the pictures with the 3 holes, it triggered my, what's that phobia where anything with holes in it, it makes you itchy and shit. Yeah, I got that, and at first I was like, this is triggering me. But it's not that bad when you see it. Yeah, I'm not gonna start it. Turn it on yet. But this is just how it looks. Green. Or should I turn it on? Let me see. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna put this SIM card in though. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on. Hello. Hello. Hola. Hola. Hello. Bonjour. Bonjour. I don't know. Not gonna fuck up the language. Well, you get it, so fuck up. Choose English. United States. Wait, I'm not gonna set it up yet. Wait, I'm not gonna set it up yet. I just want y'all to see how it looks though. But I noticed that they changed it's not USB anymore. The cube is much bigger. It's not a cube anymore. It's like a motherfucking square. It's a fucking square. You see these? These? We don't want them anymore. We want AirPods. We paid a lot of money for the iPhone, so we want the AirPods, okay? AirPods. No more. If you're gonna upgrade the charger, you can upgrade the headphones too. I want to see these in the box next year. Upgrade. You upgraded the charger, upgrade the earphones, the headphones to AirPods. Thank you. Yes, thank you. We paid enough money for the iPhone, so we need the AirPods to go along with it. Okay, thank you. So, show y'all again how it looks. The green, forest green. Very sleek, smooth, sexy. The green is sexy. Period. So I'm gonna set it up later. So do I recommend? Yes. Get it. Collect my coins, Apple. Collect all my coins. Never going back to Android ever again in life. Once you turn to Apple, you're not going back. Because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Period. So I will be taking pictures with this. So if you guys want to see if it comes, the quality of it, follow me on Instagram, Young Gothess, and I'm gonna see how the quality has been upgraded, and the picture quality and everything with the camera. I'm gonna see. They said that you can like take distance photos, so I'm gonna see how that's gonna work. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I love you. Like, thank you. Love you. Bye. Love you. If they come up with something else next year, then I'll be back. So stay tuned. Love you guys. Bye.